Hey everyone, it's fall, or some might say autumn, and here is a couple of pumpkins that I picked up from Target for about $5 each. And of course, they're beautiful as is, but you know me, I want to jazz them up a little bit. So I'm gonna first take them out of the plastic and prepare them for paint. Now I just want to paint the inside so the outside will stay smooth so that I can go ahead and embellish them. I'll be using my Rust-o-leum ivory semi-gloss paint as well as my mirror effect paint. I'll be using this to spray the inside of both pumpkins. I'm going to step away to take my pumpkins outside to spray paint them, let them dry, and I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I thought my camera was recording, but of course it wasn't. But here's what I'm doing. I have some gold half beads, and I am gluing them to the inside of the grooves on the pumpkin. These are self-adhesive. Now that that's all done, I'm going to move on to the top of the pumpkin. I want to add these white pearls that I got from Dollar Tree around the top part of the pumpkin first. I'll be using my Dollar Tree Fix-All glue to glue them on with a little help from my hot glue gun. This is the part of the video that everyone can partake in. I am growing my channel and I am at a still. I need your help. So please, right now, if you're watching this video and you're not a part of the Creative Decor family, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you'll know of all my upcoming videos. I continued to add the pearls down each seam of the top. The top turned out so beautiful with the pearls, I decided to peel off the gold beads and add the pearls down the seam of the bottom of the pumpkin. And then I'll go ahead and add back the gold beads on either side of the pearls. I decided to go ahead and make every other row a single row of just pearls and embellish the row next to it. And look how pretty it turned out. So now we're just going to move along to the silver pumpkin. Very, very pretty already. But of course we got to embellish. I have some Mardi Gras beads, little heavy. And then I have my bling wrap. I have it cut into 2 rows and I think I like that. So I'm going to cut them down the sides and I'll glue them in the seams. It's a very stormy and overcast day, so my lighting is all over the place. I'm going to move right along and finish up my lid with one single row of diamond bling that's already been cut to size. Let me finish up here and I'll come back with them on display. See you in a bit. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm getting ready for the fall season. I think I like the pearl one best, even though the reflective one is really, really pretty. Which one do you like best? Let me know in the comment section, or let me know what will you do differently. Now you could use this as a candle holder or a jar. I went ahead and added a candle just to show you how it reflects through the mirror. Absolutely beautiful. Let me say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. And don't forget to visit my other channel, Furniture Redesign by MBM.